Yeah, I think that's mixed up enough, Asher.
This thing, that's my cube. It's very easy to break apart and very easy to put together.
How many times have you broken it apart?
500.
So today we're gonna be building mosaics, and then we're gonna do a team blind competition. So do we know what team blind is? You guys might want to figure out some codes for like what to do for each turn. That's a cool timer.
Really?
Team blind? Are you guys doing team blind? Okay.
Whoa, that's a very cool map. You need to get some 1 minute today.
How are you gonna figure out the turns?
I just
Do you guys both know notation?
Yeah.
Yeah, then that's
And
easy.
then I can also use like sexy moves or sledgehammer whenever you need to.
Yeah.
Just to make
What about for Olal?
I'll just tell him.
Wear your hoodie backwards. Just wear your hoodie backwards.
That's so dumb.
Oh yeah, look, I finished the white and the yellow thing.
Now what are we gonna do next?
These layers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show this
I do the easiest one of them first, and then I do the one that like I have a.
Okay, so first we solve this layer right here. I'm gonna do blue, so first we solve this layer, right?
Yeah, that was good. Wait, you want to make bars, right? So you want to make bars and then put the bars. Hi, Zane.
Yeah, I'm just entering the pieces that make bars. Yeah, I'm just entering pieces in them.
There's a Monopoly mosaic going on over there, and then we'll do a team blind competition at the end. Is that a yeet ball?
Actually, good. This is very good.
You're not meant to see the cube, Kaden.
Inspection.
No.
There's no inspection.
No, the blindfolded person never sees the cube. Juggle them. These are pretty good for juggling. Wait, let me get this shot.
Oscar.
Ooh. My bad.
Right.
Yeah, I'm not gonna juggle a yeet ball again. No, I'll do the cross. Can you recruit more help for this?
Sure.
And keep going left. You only got 3 more rows. Yeah. Are you doing the multi-slot?
No, but it was a bit different though. It was a bit different from
Oh yeah, nice Megmings. I like that Megmings. Yeah. Oh, what happened? Oh.
Okay, put your cube back.
Are you guys doing team blind? Well, whoever doesn't have a partner goes with one of us. Maybe not me. Maybe Carol or Tiger. 所以这是 Y， 这是 Y 撇，然后 X 撇是这样 ，X 撇就是往上看。Oh, you fixed it. You put it back. That was quick. That was quick. 这是 E perm.
I'm not sure. Richard has the prizes. Richard, what's
Yeah.
the prizes for?
First place gets chocolate, I think.
Logic.
Otherwise you get high chews.
Make sure to get those. High chews are better than chocolate, I swear.
Oh, how's it going?
I think we'll just have to stop it there. We should start the team line.
Yeah, it's kind of confusing.
It's a bit difficult. What time you solves this week, Kaden? Okay, we're gonna start the team blind competition.
Can I get high shoes if we come first? I don't even like chocolate. It's so dry.
Okay, who's buddying up here for team blind? These two?
Okay, so
Alright.
do you want to go with Tiger?
Yeah, Zane can go with Tiger.
Over here.
Tiger. Yeah. Tiger, you're going with Zane for team blind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so
Each team will get one solve. One solve.
I swear, if it was on 805, we would have.
Hold this over them,
Okay.
like in front of them during the solve.
Do I have
No,
to close
I
my
didn't bring a
eyes?
blindfold.
So...
Oh wait, can the other team sit here? We'll just get the other team to sit here.
And then not now. And then we'll scramble the utensils.
Where does it even work? Can you tell me you bought that chocolate for? Can you just...
Are you ready?
Yep. Okay. Am I not to look at it before it stops?
Yeah, you can look at it. I should have brought blindfold.
It's a bad one. 30 minutes.
Oh, bad one? Oh, just write it down on the thing. Okay, whoever's solving, wear your hoodie backwards. And then just cover your head with your hoodie. Oh. 你要把两个对上，然后两个对上。J perm 你知道吗？J perm， 你知道 J perm 吗？
哪一个是上课做吗？
J perm， J perm， 这个 J perm。
哦，那你做吧。
Oh wait, almost, pretty much got it. You can kind of see the monopoly here. All right, Tiger and Zane, let's go. That's a,
我不会。
oh,
Oh, I'm getting like a proper scramble, right?
yeah.
I get to inspect the cube before or no?
No, you don't. You never see the cube.
Okay.
Do you guys have a strategy?
No, we haven't even practiced a single time. That's right.
No one's been able to solve this.
这个你会复原吗？
我不会。
把那个片公式拿过来，一会儿
不要。哦，你知道 A perm B G。
说那些字母公式名。
Okay, do you two want to do team blind now? Let's do team blind, guys.
Yeah, we haven't even practiced a single time. Let's go. I'm gonna have my eyes open now.
I need to get a timer out.
Wait, you need to make stuff.
Yeah.
I solved it.
Oh yeah, Twisty's cube.
It's literally a cube with colors.
Oh yeah, do your sledge. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Don't you do it?
Yeah, here. Hey, you're getting used to it, Kaden. Yeah, and Y2. Yeah, pretty much. It's like, I like 2 fingers here, it's better. So then, if you have a U perm and then you get used to it, you're like, oh wait, what happened?
U 撇 U B 这是 D F U 撇，再U 撇，然后 F 撇，U 2次 U 2。
10分钟以内应该可以。
How do I do it?
Oh,
Wait,
parody.
you can't do it. You have to teach me.
Wide R, U2, Wide R prime,
Wait up.
U2. Kaden and Oscar won. Oh yeah. Oh wait. Can we all pack up now? It's almost time to leave, guys. And I know none of you want to leave, but there's term 2.
You know, at first I thought this was just a useless cube that can only turn corners.
It pretty much is. 然后这个应该到哪儿？应该到那儿，然后放回去。Okay, so the winner of the team blind competition, Oscar and Kaden. Can we give a round of applause for them? Yeah. Bye, Tyler. Oh yeah, take some high cheese on your way. 3 maximum.
That's okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah.